how to make a game like Bubblegum Simulator in ROBLOX Studio. First, you're going to want to make a part, and that's going to be the handle for our tool. Then you're going to want to make a tool and workspace. Then drag the tool into Starter Pack. When you play the game, you're going to see the tool inside your backpack. It's going to be my tool, but you can make it however you like. Inside the tool, I'm going to add a local script. Now just copy what I do, and your script will work fine. That's all the script for adding jump power, so you can jump higher every time you click. There, as you can see, every time we click in the tool, then we can go higher. Then you want to go to Starter Player and set the jump power to 0. So when you join the game, you can't jump anymore. But when you click, then you can start to jump higher and higher. So I can't jump even if I press the space bar. But if I start clicking, I can start jumping. There, it works. That's going to be all for today's video.